students. Before we continue learning more about the Sangama dynasty rulers, I hope you all have a book and a pen with you so that you can keep pausing the videos and taking down these important notes. Okay, so we have already learnt about the two rulers of the Sangama dynasty. Do you remember their names? Yes, they were Harihara and Bukkaraya of the Sangama dynasty. And Harihara was the first king of this dynasty. Now let us learn about another very famous king of Sangama dynasty. His name was Devaraya II. He was also known by the name Praudha Devaraya. He ruled the Vijayanagara dynasty during 1424 till 1446 Common Era. For almost 20 years, he was the ruler. He was the famous king of Sangama dynasty, and his period was significant in the Vijayanagara dynasty. What do you mean by famous king? He was known as the famous king because he took good care of people living in the empire. He provided security to the people and he gave the freedom to people. So he was known as the famous king. There's another important reason why he is known as the famous king of the Sangama dynasty. It is because he built a new army including Muslim soldiers who were skilled in archery and horse taming. Now, even though Devaraya II was a Hindu, he also included Muslim soldiers. What do we understand from this? We are able to know that he had religious tolerance, which means he maintained religious harmony and equality by including Muslim soldiers also in his army. So, with the help of this army, he defeated Reddy leaders of Kondavedu region and he defended famous Mughal fort Raichur and Bankapur by fighting with Ahmed Shah of Bahmani sultans. So he did two things with the help of these Muslim soldiers. First, he defeated the Reddy leaders of Kondavedu region. And second, he defended the famous Mughal fort Raichur Bankapur by fighting with Ahmed Shah of Bahmani Sultan. Now, do you know the difference between defeated and defended? This is very important to understand. Do you know? Defeated means when he took war against or he attacked the Reddy leaders of Kondavedu region, he won the battle and he took over their region. So this is the meaning of he defeated Reddy leaders of Kondavedu region. Now, he defended famous Mughal fort. What does that mean? This means that when Ahmed Shah of Bahmani Sultans attacked his region, his army, he defended his regions by fighting against or fighting with Ahmed Shah and defeated Ahmed Shah. So he defended famous Mughal forts Raichur and Bankapur by fighting with Ahmed Shah of Bahmani Sultan. Next. His brave commander called Lakkanna Dandesha. Now it is very important to remember this name, Lakkanna Dandesha. Who is this Lakkanna Dandesha? He was the brave commander of Devaraya II. What did he do? He defeated the kings of Kerala and Sri Lanka and collected treasure and tribute in cash from them. Now, what is treasure? Treasure means gold and all the valuable things which are required to run a dynasty, which is mainly gold. So, Devaraya II's brave commander Lakkanna Dandesha defeated the kings of Kerala and Sri Lanka, and collected treasure and tribute in cash from them.